Hello everyone, I am Dr. Vibha Bafna here. I am a consultant pediatrician and a pediatric hematologist oncologist at Jahangir Hospital, Pune. I am going to talk about immunity and COVID in children. So what is immunity? Immunity is our natural preparation to fight against anything which is foreign. Okay, and where does this immunity reside? Our natural immunity is found in our blood cells and in our immune lymphoid organs. Okay, we have two types of immunity in our body. There is this naturally acquired immunity which we are born with, which is also known as innate immunity, and another type of immunity is acquired immunity, which our body learns as we grow up, as we keep fighting different infections. So this is the immunity we acquire, and who acquires it? Again, our blood cells and our lymphoid organs acquire it. They not only fight it that point of time, they also remember it. So next time we encounter the same viruses, we are already prepared. So then now I'm sure you've understood that there is no direct relation of immunity and specific or general supplements like vitamins or minerals. So dear parents, please don't pressurize your doctors to write these supplements for you. And not only that, don't just go and buy these supplements over the counter on the recommendations of your friends or relatives. Now we understand a natural healthy body will have the natural immunity, and the next step is, what is this healthy body and how do we get it? So my utmost recommendation to you will be to get this natural immunity from your natural sources. Don't go for supplements. So we will list what is a best practice to maintain the health of your children. The first and foremost is breastfeeding. So if your child is a toddler, is an infant, or in that age group, so please ensure that you're breastfeeding your child. The first 6 months is exclusive breastfeeding, followed by continuing breastfeeding at least till 2 years of age. That is the best vaccine for your baby. And then coming on to a balanced diet, which should be homemade and hygienic. Everybody knows what is a food pyramid. So the base of the pyramid is the whole cereals, beans, sprouts. So these form the basis of your food for your child. Next comes the fruits and vegetables. So all sorts of vegetables, the seasonal vegetable, different colored vegetables, the yellow vegetables, for example, your leafy greens, your carrots, your spinach, all these are very important in giving natural vitamins and minerals to your child. Coming on to fruits, again, all different colored fruits like strawberries, papayas, mangoes, etc. Then the next would be your nuts. Remember nuts, dear parents, because they give a lot of benefit to your child, especially almonds, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, etc. Another very important point I want to make here is avoid all sorts of processed food. Most of the times, so sometimes you can give anything to your child, but most of the times avoid processed foods like biscuits, cakes, pastries, etc., etc. And then coming on to a very important point which all of us miss, we just take it for granted, but sleep. So sleep is when your body repairs itself, not just all other organs, but even your immune system gets time to repair itself, work all the natural defenses. So ensure that your child gets proper sleep. So in my practice, I found that children nowadays, they are sleeping very late. They are occupied by their screens. So please avoid that habit and see that your child gets at least 9 to 10 hours of sleep. And then last but not the least at all is a very good, positive, healthy atmosphere in your child, which is stress-free. Remember, all the stress hormones in your body, they will naturally suppress your immunity. So keeping a positive, healthy atmosphere in your house is very important. See that you engage with your children. So these are difficult times. So I know it might sound very easy for me to say that, but many of the families have suffered great losses, and all the memories are there with you which will haunt you. But we have to come out of these times, and they are our children. They have their life in front of you, so they demand that from you. It is what we have to give our children. So parents, maintain a good, healthy atmosphere, stay stress-free. The other things which I want to say is, don't ignore all other vaccinations. Complete your children's vaccination, because I'm finding that many children have lost out on their vaccination during the last 1.5 years. Thank you very much. I hope I have answered many of your queries.